Hello guys, welcome to Happy Tech Repairs. Today we are going to talk about laptop and PC repair tools. So the first thing we have today is a DC power supply. So we are going to show you the basic instruments in details. This is a DC power supply that you use to give light to the motherboard. You can also use it to fix a motherboard, to inject power into the motherboard. You can see the adjusting, that is where you adjust the volt depending on the volt you want. It's from 1 to 30 watts. So you can put any volt if your system is 19 volts. So here we also have the port, different port of it that you can use. As you can see, depending on your laptop port, if you want to use directly to your laptop port, look at the MPR, where once you plug it, it will load on your system. This is the different types of plugins, a port that we have depending on your laptop, from HP to Dell. Different type of it, look at it, of different sizes and type. The next thing is screwdriver. We have manual and electric screwdriver. So depending on the one you are familiar with, this is a manual screwdriver. We have long nose, Philip head. We have, this is electric screwdriver, a mini electric screwdriver that you can use portably to lose. This is a set of screwdriver. As you can see, different types of screws. You can see two head screws, different stars, and anyone adjustable. The next thing is showing you the electric screwdriver, how you can use it to lose a system, how you can use it to remove a screw from the motherboard. It has forward and reverse mode. So if you want to lose a system, you just press on the forward mode. It will now lose the screw. As you can see, you just press it, it will now lose the screw. Now you can remove it. That's a forward mode. Then if you want to close it, you reverse it. You see, you are closing it. So this one is very simple. You have a place to reduce the speed so that you cannot pull out the screw from the system. That we also have different type of kit on a manual screwdriver. Look at it. We have the plus and the minus screwdriver. As you can see, it's adjustable. You just put it on the other side. See, just you have different type of it. This is a manual way of losing a system. You see, as he's losing, see, you see, you see, he's getting the screw out of the system. This is a star. And another thing we have is a multimeter. We have digital multimeter and analog multimeter. So this is a digital multimeter for use to get a reading from your motherboard. This is an analog multimeter. Depending on the one you are familiar, you are used to, you can get it. Then this is microscope, to use it to view, to look at any tiny stuff on the motherboard, the workstation, or the heat gun. That's another thing we have. We have different type of workstation. This is a workstation. You can see this is a standing. This is a workstation with soldering iron. These are different things it comes with. This is a soldering iron which we use to solder and unsolder something from a motherboard. This is a lathe. You use a lathe to lathe something with a soldering iron to a motherboard. This is the paste that you apply when you are unlading something from the motherboard. A paste. Then we have another one. We have another one that you can also use. This is a picker, that a tweezer. We call it picker in our side. You can use it to pick or fix a component on the motherboard. A tweezer is pick and set things which you want to. and this is a processing paste that is used on a processor. This help this help to absorb heat from the processor to the heatsink. Without this, your system will be tripping off. This is a screw container that you use to arrange the different types of screw that you have. Without this screwdriver, the screw container, your work will be scattered. You use this to put your screw in appropriate places. So this is a air blower that you use to blow air and dust and dirty from the system. um we have different types of it. Then we also have a brush that is used to brush dirty also, and used to clean anywhere in the system. This is a BIOS programmer which is also used to program a BIOS on a motherboard. If a BIOS motherboard, if it's corrupt, you use this device to program it. Then we also have a set of tools. If like this one I'm about to show you, if you like them, you can check on the description below to get yours. Then you can see the screwdriver. Inside the set of screwdriver, we have a plier, we have a long nose screwdriver, we have a picker, we have a spanner, we have there's a meter also there, there's a lead. As you can see, we have different type of it. We have, you can see different type of it. You can get this. This is a set of screwdriver. This is all in one of the screwdriver that you can use to fix your motherboard. These are different types of things that is required, that is necessary if you are fixing a motherboard. This is a tweezer that we already talked about. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification below for my next video on how to use some of these laptop tools. Thank you.